Hi, I created something similar to what you posted in this is Chief Architect Premier X12, but I'm going to put I'm going to make believe that this is Suite and not use manual tools. So this is basically what you get with auto roofs on, and the pitches are the same. And this wall, this wall, this wall, this wall are all gables. That's what you get. That's what you have. So what can you do? Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this wall here. Well, I guess I should do it a la Suite. Let me go Shift F6. I'm going to go here and open this wall. Open its dialog box. I'm going to open it and go to the Roof tab. And change this pitch options here. See, this is telling the software what kind of pitch you want over this wall. So I'm going to set it to 312 instead of everything else is set to 512. And it's not quite, probably not quite what you want. If you want this to match this, and you're going to have to jockey it around some more. I'm going to click on this, open it again, go to the Roof tab, change this to 3.512. That's pretty close. It's not perfect. Let me click on this 3D screen, and that's pretty close. See, it's not perfect. So I'm going to click on this wall again, go to the Roof tab, change this to something a little steeper. Let's make it 3 3/4, 12. No, that's too much. Okay. So we'll go 3 1/4. Bingo. That's pretty close. You got one ridge now. And the cause here is this 3D geometry. This part of the house sticks out more, and so its roofs are going to start further out. So it has to be a lower pitch in order to match or be just below the main ridge, which I think is what you're going for. Okay. Hope this helps you. Have a good day.